Hello, my friend.
Wow!
Whoa! Ew!
Excellent!
Wow! Aha!
I have an idea for the house.
I came to find my princess.
Today, I will make a big dream house for Barbie. I hope you love it.
Oh, wow!
Oh, a bath toy set. Let's open it. Lots of stuff in here. I will put in the bathroom for Barbie. Choose the bathtub first.
Ah!
Decorate it a bit first. That's great. Get the shower head too.
La 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 la.
Take a bath, Barbie. I do a bathroom cabinet from pea clay. Mix white and blue clay to make cabinet countertop. Like this. Use the mold to cut the clay into flower shapes. Two clay flowers and decorate around it with many beads. A lovely flower mirror. You should moisturize your skin after bathing, Barbie.
Yes, thank you, Lisa. Yes! Excellent!
And must have toilet in the bathroom. Bathroom mats and slippers. Oh, Barbie, you forgot to rinse the water after showering.
Wow, that's amazing!
Next will be the living room. The living room only needs to be small, but still very chill. Can you guess what I'm doing? Control buttons and speakers. 2 antennas above.
Great!
A modern television. That's so great. And 2 loudspeakers on both sides. Just a flat chair is pretty enough.
Huh? I am very happy. Me too. Good job.
You can Netflix and chill here. Just move to the kitchen. Barbie seems hungry. A big fridge first. With lovely stickers on doors. Ta-da! And handles.
I'm hungry. Oh no, it's empty.
Don't worry, Barbie. Would you like to drink some fruit juice? We have watermelon and orange here. Orange first. Must cut into small pieces to put in blender. Add some ice cubes. Oh, hello, little unicorn.
Ooh, what's this?
This is orange juice. Do you want to try?
Sure. Well, thank you very much.
Luckily, there's still watermelon left. I'm so thirsty. It looks delicious. Let's try some. Oh no, there's Barbie too. Hopefully this will be enough for her. Leave it in the refrigerator to cool. Barbie will drink it in a little while. And more cake and soft drinks.
That's great, Lisa. Don't worry about being thirsty anymore.
Make Barbie an extra cabinet and oven so she can cook. Gas stove too. Ta-da! Tiny flower vases for decoration. Must have a proper dining table set right.
Lisa, do you want to eat pizza with me? Come here. No chairs. Do we have to stand to eat?
Don't worry, I'll make you 2 beautiful chairs right now. But you must have a cup to drink water first. And now we're going to make chairs. Truly aristocratic.
Ta-da!
One for you, and one for me.
Wow, that's wonderful.
The kitchen looks amazing. I admire myself so much. Now go to the second floor. The bedroom and dressing room will be here. And as always, I'll do the bedroom first. headboard and footboard. Bed mattress must be soft with a lots of cottons inside. And decorate with lace border. 2 cute strawberry pillows. Bedside cabinet. The nightlight is made from old plastic lids. With tiny bow. Perfect! If you like that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Wall frame picture. Oh, I like this bedroom. Do you like it like me? The last room. I will make a dressing table and a big wardrobe. Perfumes, lipstick, and makeup set. Big sofa to chill. And wardrobe here.
Lisa, I brought the dress over to hang it in the closet.
Let me help you. At a roots. And there is one more special thing in this house. A swimming pool and sliding stairs from the second floor.
Looks fun. Let me try it, Lisa.
Wow! Dream house for Princess Barbie is completed. Now let's take a look at it. Which room do you like? Please leave your answer below in the comment section.
This house so much. Please look. Hello. Can I stay here with Barbie? The bathroom fits me so well. How do you turn on the TV?